Hey guys, welcome back to another talking video. Today, I'm going to unbox this. I bought a keyboard. I'm quite excited actually. I've been waiting for this ever since I paid for it, which is on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. And I guess in this video, I'm gonna like assemble it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's see what's in the box. Can't believe it's here. I got a Gateron Yellows. Don't know if you can see them. They came in packs of 10 and I bought 90 of them because I'm going to be assembling a 75% layout keyboard. I also bought some screw-in stabilizers because I heard that this board, KBD75v2, it comes with like pop-in stabilizers and they kind of suck apparently. And these are from KBD fans themselves also. I don't really know if they're genuine cherry screw-in stabs or not because everything was, I bought it off Taobao and everything was in Chinese and I can't really read Chinese. Not that well. I can read a bit but not that well. Oh shit, which one? Did I get two? What? Backup maybe? I don't know. Maybe they messed up. Switches, more switches. Alright, what is this? I think it's my keycaps. Ooh, hype. I think I got some really cute keycaps actually. And if you guys want to know what the name is, I also don't know because it's also in Chinese. I think it's like from Enjoy PBT. Okay, I just spent like God knows how long trying to put these keys back together to look presentable because I was an idiot and I jumbled up everything. Oh god, I hope they stay. Yeah. Looks pretty sweet. Oh man, hype. I don't actually speak Japanese or type Japanese, but the font color, solid, love it. And I got cable. I paid I paid 10 bucks for another cable because in the product description it didn't say it came with a cable. So now I have two cables. But at least it's Type-C, I guess. I can use it somewhere else. Wow. Shit. Hey man, life's good. Last but not least, this probably is the keyboard itself. The casing and whatnot. That's really dusty. I think this is the PCB. Oh no, it's not. It's actually the plate. Nice. I got a brass plate. And the finish actually looks really sick. And I can't tell if there's a layer of protective plastic on top. Looks like there is. I'll figure it out when I assemble the keyboard. Because it doesn't feel like metal at all. It feels like plastic actually. Here's the PCB. Looks pretty flat, which is good. I hope my hands are not statically charged. This is the back side, sorry. This is the front side. So what I'm gonna have to do is solder each of these keys. I'm gonna have to fit them in with the brass plate on top, and then I'll put the keys in, and I have to solder them later. which is gonna be fun. I haven't soldered since I was in secondary school. That's like 8 years, more than 8 years ago, I think. Should be fine. Should be fine. Oh, oh my gosh, this is weighty. Screws and rubber feet, very important. And this is the aluminum casing. Aluminum, whatever. Ooh, looks nice. So this is the back plate. There is a little piece of acrylic which still has its protective film on, and I believe there is LED backlighting on the back of the PCB. This boy, and then there's like a gap in between where the acrylic plate sits, and it kind of diffuses the light. Oh shit! There's another. What is that? Okay, I'll sort that out later. So back piece, front piece goes together. Slight issue, quite a big issue actually. There's a screw in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like through the hole but bent. I can't bend my finger. So yeah, I can't really get it out, and I'm not sure what to do with it. I just put on the rubber feet. But I guess I'll think about it later, I guess. I want to set up the PCB actually. So yeah, think about it later. It's a bit disappointing. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Okay, so it's connected now, and I open this hex file at mega32u4 flash. I guess it's on. The LEDs are flashing. We can use via, whatever you call it. Oh man, those LEDs are in my face. And then we should test the keys. So, I've only seen a video of this. I don't know if this actually works. So what I'm doing is I am taking these forceps, which are made of metal, and I'm contacting the slots, which basically register the key press. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold it up, it's too tiring. But basically I'm just like trying to see if all the keys are working. Sweet, they're all working. Am I happy with this layout? Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I think this is pretty much the layout that I'm gonna go for. Home and page up, page down, delete. What's this supposed to be? I mean, I got print screen. That's pretty much all I need. Scroll lock. I don't care for scroll lock. I don't really care for insert either. Back. Yeah. No, I'll think about it later. Yeah, and this concludes PCB testing. Hello, I am back. I'm going to lubricate all of the switches. I unpacked them. This is what they look like. These are Gateron Yellows. Put it next to my mic. So like on its own, it's already pretty quiet. I mean from what I can tell. It's a linear switch. It's supposedly in between Gateron Reds and Gateron Blacks, or Cherry MX Reds and Cherry MX Blacks, if you're familiar with Cherry. So yeah, linear switch. They feel kind of nice. It's my first time using linears. I've always been a Browns guy. First board was a Philco Majestouch 2 with MX Browns. Second board was some Cooler Master board. It had MX Blues, and I thought I would like clicky, but I hate clicky. They're just not for me. And then now I have this Magic Force 68 with Gateron Browns, and yeah, I like them. They're not bad. So yeah, I have to open these switches up one by one. I'm gonna loop them with I bought Krytox GPL whatever the hell 205 grade 0, and yeah, I'm gonna work on them. I've already opened one switch, so it looks like that. I hope you can see it. So this is the bottom housing, and this is the yellow switch that you see on top, and it slides down like some grooves. This is the top housing. So I'm going to lubricate them according to what I've seen on YouTube videos. Hopefully it goes well. So yeah, cheap paintbrush. I wanted to get something narrow, I think, but I couldn't find anything at the time. Nice. It's actually no smell. I thought it would have some sort of smell. Sorry, I didn't know what to expect. We start with the bottom housing, I guess. So I'll just get some on my brush. Oh shit, okay, that's a lot. It's a bit too much actually. Yeah. Apparently less is more, and that was way too much. Also, my brush is way too thick, so this is gonna be a bit disastrous, I feel. Yeah, I might get some lubricant on the metal contacts. So what I'm doing is I'm brushing the side edges where that yellow, I don't know what you call it, that yellow thing like slides against. So I'm doing that. And then apparently I have to do the bottom part as well, like the bottom face where the spring sits. Just gonna do the top and bottom sides of the spring. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but like there are little bits that stick out at the side, like that's where it slides against the black bottom housing, and that's an important part to loop. And I think I'm supposed to do every face as well. If you're experienced and watching this, please bear with me because I'm new. Also, this is a linear switch, so I can loop these legs. And from what I've seen, if your switch is tactile, you're not supposed to lubricate that part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and coat each side as evenly as I can. The middle bit goes inside the spring, and those legs will go to the side with those copper contact pins. I don't know what you call them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this here for a moment and work on the top housing. This is quite fun actually. arts and crafts was never my thing, but I don't mind this at all. Right, so also like the 4 inner corners from what I've seen on YouTube. Okay, and that's that. And the side with the Gateron inscription, I mean, because I'm using Gateron switches, but like whichever side has the words on it goes above the copper part. Oh, my finger's blocking. This is so difficult. So, yeah. One down, 89 more to go. Holy shit. Okay, it's actually a lot more quiet than like a non-loop switch. Okay, let me try. You can barely hear anything. And this is a non-looped one. Yo, that's insane. What the fuck? Sorry, didn't mean to swear. Whoa! Okay, now I'm gonna go through hell trying to lubricate everything, so see you guys later. Welcome back. It is now day 2 and I've lubricated all the switches, lubricated the stabilizers as well, put everything together. I just soldered them like 10 minutes ago, and I didn't expect lubricating to take that much time, to be honest, because I started at around 6 PM yesterday and I finished at around like, I don't know, 2 AM. Yeah, it really took way too long. Yeah, so this is what it looks like when the switches are fit into the brass plate and soldered onto the PCB. I don't think I did a great job, but I don't know if you guys can see. It's good enough, I guess. It works. I've tried it. Screws for the screw-in stabilizers. So now what's left is to put everything together. yeah, that's the end of the build. I hope you enjoyed that typing test. I think it sounds really good. And yeah, overall, I had fun. Sort of. Lubricating was not fun, but putting it together was quite fun. And like soldering, I thought it was gonna be more difficult, but it really wasn't. I just had to take my time with it. And yeah, everything worked out. My thoughts. Loop switches are amazing. I don't think I can go back to non-loop switches like on my previous Magic Force 68. They have Gateron Browns unlooped, and now it just sounds scratchy and feels like it doesn't feel smooth. And linears are new to me, so I will definitely need time to get used to it. And yeah, it's been pretty good. I don't have much else to say. I guess I'll end with a shot of the board. Table's a bit messy. Alright, peace.